Landed exit strategy helped us to earn money on options again, Alex. You see?
Yeah, so
And today we will check how we did it. Let's open TradingView and check this technique, how it worked out. So you can see we have forecast that yesterday it should be a strong growth on Ethereum. And in the first part we were right. But after it went sideways and then went back. But as we made 5 take profits, so we have 1 take profit like this, like this, like this, and like this.
mhm.
So 1 take profit worked out, was executed, and you see we have a position of 0.5 options. And it was enough only 0.1 to execute at the price of, I think, 9.9. I'm not sure exactly, we will check. For all position, give profit. So only 1/5 of all position of Black Swan trade helped us to make the day profitable. Let's check how it was.
Okay, this is our transaction.
Yes, so look, it was like this. We have bought 0.5 for trade price 1.4. And you see only 1/5 of position, our first take profit was 9.9. And we got from this 0.98, and it was more than the total sum we spent for the whole option positions. So just 20% take profit was enough to make the day green. And this is the main idea of leaded exit strategy. So when you have Black Swan, if you don't want to have this hit or miss result, if you want to have more stable profit, then you make step by step take profit. So, and it's also interesting that we had 1950 strike. And please check TradingView. What was the highest point?
The highest point was 1943.
Yes, so you can see that it even didn't touch our strike price. But because of volatility, we sold this option for 9.9 as the market. So if we waited for expiration, we needed that price will be higher than 1959.9. But yesterday it didn't even hit 1950, so we closed this position because of volatility. And this is really nice because we are earning money not only on Delta, but also on Vega Greek. What I mean, that when we are buying options, we are buying at the same time low Vega, so low volatility, low price, and low Delta, because if the price is here and our strike is here, then it means that Delta in this option and Vega when we buy, this is small. And if suddenly from this point market start to grow fast like this, then even if we don't go to the strike, uh, because of Vega, Delta also grows. And far option, which are out of the money, they are very sensitive to volatility. Understand? That is why yesterday it was a really interesting trade. And let's check our profit loss histogram and then our equity chart.
Histogram is ready. It's on the screen.
Yeah, I can see that you see small green day, but every green day in trading is better than the best red day. So even despite it's small, anyway is green. And let's check equity curve. Interesting. So it is growing. And for me, it will be also interesting if we add here Ethereum chart. Because usually equity chart is compared to the chart of asset which we are trading. So we are trading options on Ethereum, and here we need to make a lot of improvements. We already can do metrics, and we also can do buy and hold chart to check what is better. Because everybody is trying to beat buy and hold portfolio. Okay, let's continue to our traditional plan. Let's do a first forecast and then try to find the most profitable solution how to
Yeah.
make this
Continue
forecast.
with Velo on your side, please.
Yeah, sure. Do you see Velo? So let me, I think it's not so daily, weekly. Yeah, you can see. You can see that we almost hit the lowest point, which was in 26 year. So I think because of July and because of summer, the volatility is low. And I think one more reason is that Bitcoin didn't break 60,000 point. And so options are again cheap as dirt, and we can buy. And if there will be strong movement, we can earn good profit. And also we can see that this option, which I showed you yesterday, this option didn't wasn't executed. So somebody who sold these options didn't let the buyer to earn on this. And let's change like this. Oh, and look, everything green. And this also interesting. Somebody bought 20,000 options call for 31st of July. So you see its growth more than 25%, I think, for Ethereum, and maybe even 30%. Yes, it's about 30%. And this trade is interesting because its volume is more than usual than we saw in previous days. And also this is on options call. So I think it will be interesting to look what will happen after 2 weeks. I hope you remind me to check what happened with Ethereum. And this also you can see 2,400, 2,000. Somebody is buying 10,000 option call, 11,000 option call. Somebody is really optimistic. And we also can see that delta skew, if we check for 3 months or 6 months, is slowly going to zero level when options put are priced the same as options call. So now is, from my point, neutral situation. So market can go up and down, I think, equally. Okay, let's continue with your side. Please share the screen and make your forecast on training view. And I will minimize my screen. So when you will be ready, please give me signal and we will continue.
Okay. Let me start with preparing the canvas, erasing what was erasing everything that was yesterday. And first, I'd like to check the bigger picture. So, okay, see, if I'm the plot, where would I like to go? If I'm the plot, if I'm the crowd, where would I like to go to earn all the money on the earth? All the money on the earth. And switching the scale backwards, then arranging the scale. And what I'm doing is drawing the plot the opposite side. Groups. That's our final plot project. Now expected price. Hey, Roma, I'm done with my prediction. Now your turn.
Okay. Now I'll try. So I can see the chart. and how I feel the market will go. So I'm moving my cursor and trying. So I think it will be like this, like this. I think that the market will grow again, and if I will try to explain it after I already did my forecast, then we can see that here are moving average, and sometimes price moving averages can be like support or resistance level. Depends on the direction where they look. But I didn't think about this. Maybe it was just my old experience made me to do like this. Wow. Alex, we had the
Seems like we
same
aligned with our
forecast.
prediction one day more.
Interesting, interesting. So again, we expect really strong growth. And what we can do? I think we can do almost the same position as we did yesterday. Let's go to position builder and try what we can do. So, how much is 1950?
Point.
It's 2.7, so it's more expensive than yesterday. But still, I think. So if you will try to buy 1975, my forecast is exactly 1980. So I think. But your forecast is really Black Swan forecast. So usually when we have forecasts like this, we need to buy something that looks unbelievable. And I think we can buy 1975 option because they are almost 2 times cheaper. And if the market really will go there, then we can buy, then we can earn almost 2 times more than if we will buy 1950. Okay, I think we can do the same trade as yesterday. For me, I can feel that it's almost impossible that we will earn 2 times in a row buying Black Swan, but really interesting to check tomorrow. Okay, let's go to terminal and make this trade. Let's do this. And I think we can do almost same take profits as yesterday.
And 0.5 contracts. Please double check
Wait,
the drop of the order.
so can you show me the price? Yes, okay, yeah.
Correct?
Yes, correct. Let's do this.
And we should next reduce our position.
And consecutive take profits the same as yesterday. So 9.9, 19.9, and
Wait. So selling our position at 9.1, 9,
9.9, yes.
sell 0.1. Okay.
Then 19.9,
29,
29.9, and 50.
Okay.
Yeah?
Everything should be ready shortly. And it does.
What did you say didn't catch?
It should be ready shortly, and it's done. The whole position is open.
Yeah. And if you want to see what will happen with our trade, if you will earn money on this, please subscribe to our channel. And also you can follow us in our Discord community. Thank you, Alex. It was option profits. And tomorrow we will know if we made this miracle to Black Swans in a row. Okay, bye.
Bye, Roma. Thanks. See you tomorrow.